Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the classes now. We are doing history, forest transformation in Java, and 6th of August today. 4.5 New developments in forestry. So, in our previous class, we have talked about for the first point. We'll talk about the second and third, fourth, fifth point. So, in our previous class, we have learned that the villagers had taken over, taking the opportunity, they have occupied the forest land and started cultivating their land. So, number 2, the government has recognized that, government came to know that in order to meet the conservation of forest, the forest has to be conserved. The conservation of forest rather than collecting timber. So, if they start collecting timber all the time, the forest will be gone. So, it has to be preserved. The people who live near the forest must be involved. So the governments in the colonies, they came to know that the people living in the forest must be involved in this protection or conservation of forest. Number 3. In many places across India also, from Mizoram to Kerala, forests have survived only because villagers protected them in search and sacred groups. So they might ask you, what do you mean by sacred groups? These are the group of people. Groups. Group means a group of trees, a small forest like. Sacred groups. These forests are protected in sacred groups by the villagers known as Sarnas, Khan, Rai, etc. These are the local names. Now here, number 4, some villages have been patrolling their own forest to conserve forest. They have been patrolling the forest, their own forest, with each household taking it in turns. They had to take turns by turn to protect the forest or forest guard. Instead of leaving it to the forest patrols or forest guards, instead of leaving the entire forest under the protection of forest guards, these villagers, they themselves started patrolling and protecting forest or conserving forest. Number 5. Local communities and environmentalists today are thinking of different forms of forest management. So now local people also came to know, they understood that the importance of forest, and communities and environmentalists, they know the importance of forest. So they started managing in a different way. So that is the end of this chapter, forest transformation in Java and forest society and colonialism. Now in our next, there is a new one, pastoralists in the modern world. That will be in our next class.